Hey guys, so I was sitting here trying to create some business cards, and I personally feel like Inkscape isn't very user friendly. So I tried to find another app that would work good for me and be a little bit more simpler because I didn't have as much time to spend learning Inkscape. And no hate towards Inkscape whatsoever. But if you are like me and you don't have a lot of time to spend, but you really need to get some business cards or something like that made up, this is a really awesome option. I found this website here. It is app.bannersnack.com. It is actually a phone app, I believe, but I was able to type it in on my laptop and it pulled it up. I created an account and I was able to make these really cute business cards. I did get the QR code elsewhere. I just used a QR code generator and imported it into the screen, but the options were super simple. I'll show you a few of them here. You have your background options, which I was already on, sorry. So you have colors, textures. There's like some little different wood grainy looks. And I'm sorry for how this looks. I'm using my phone to record just to make this super simple. You can add your text here. They have it already set up. There's fonts to choose from. You can add elements. This is where I've uploaded my own QR code. If you want a QR code, you'll have to use a QR code generator or something to get one of those. There was other options for elements. Okay, so you can do stock photos, shapes, mask, lines, and that's how I got the line right here. I just added a line. I think that's super cute. And I think that's about it, guys. I got the little Facebook and TikTok logos. I did not upload those myself. I just went right here and typed in TikTok or whatever, and it pulled that right up for me. And I just added that in. It already had the clear background, and this is what your girl is working with. So let me know what you guys think and if this video was helpful or if there's anything else I can do to help you guys out. I love finding free resources, especially whenever I can get something cute like this. It didn't take me a lot of time. I can include it with my products and people will be able to easily scan this QR code and find my Facebook group. By the way, that's my Facebook group right here. Join it, guys. Hit me up and check it out. I'm making car decals, self-defense keychains, all kinds of stuff. I really haven't shipped out many things other than car decals up to this point, but I'm opening up an eBay store as we speak. I actually listed my first item today. It's not included on this card because I'm gonna actually make separate cards for it once I get a little bit more established, but so far this is what we got. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I would love it if you would like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, but at the very least throw your girl a freaking subscribe, guys. Come on. Like, I gave you a free resource to, I mean, I didn't give you the resource, but I found a free resource and shared it with you guys. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, that was my dog in the background, but bye guys.